你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about a final, WEI. When you see the English letter UI in Pinyin, the pronunciation is WEI. It's a combination of the Mandarin Chinese U and A sounds. Say WEI. It's close to the sound of the English word way, but shorter and tensed. Say way. Your lips are from round to spread. Try again. Say way. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Ooh, a. Ooh, a. Ooh, a. Way. 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 When the final way sound is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as WEI. Way is danger in Chinese. Let's combine the initial t, the final way, and the high-pitched first tone all together. T, wei, tui. Repeat after me. T, wei, tui. Tui, tui, tui. Tui is to push in Chinese. Let's combine the initial ch, the final wei, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Ch, wei, chui. Repeat after me. Ch, wei, chui. Chui, chui, chui. Chui is to blow in Chinese. Question. When you see UEI and WEI in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is Wei. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.